Hello students, good morning. All are welcome to the next video combination class. So before starting, first we start Brahmanad. शांति शांति शांति. So stop. Today we will discuss combination. The combination means selection. How many selection can be made by taking some or all of n different objects? You know, permutation means arrangement. How many different arrangement can be formed by taking some or all with or without repetition? Now, today we will discuss selection, combination. Okay. Suppose there are three letters A, B, C. You know the number of arrangement of three letters A, B, C taking two at a time. A, B, B, C, C, A, B, A, C, B, A, C. How many different arrangement obtained? There are 6 different arrangement. A, B, B, C, C, A, B, A, C, B, A, C. These are all are 6 different arrangement. But how many selection can be obtained of 3 letters taking 2 at a time? So, A, B and B, A. This is one selection because in that selection here A, B is there. Here B, A, B and B, A are one selection. Similarly, B, C and C, B, these are also one selection. And this is also one selection. Kahingi? AD C hochi, AD AC hochi. A selection jaha, A selection taha. So, A, B and B, A, this is one selection. B, C and C, B, one selection. A, C and C, A, this is also one selection. So, how many different selection is obtained? 3 selection. 3 selection. Okay, but 6 arrangement. 6 arrangement. Do you understand? ଯେତେବେଳେ 3ଟା ଲେଟର ଥିବ A, B, C, 3ଟା ଲେଟରରୁ ତମେ 2ଟା ଲେଟରକୁ ନେଇ ଆରେଞ୍ଜମେଣ୍ଟ କରିବ 6 ପ୍ରକାର ଆରେଞ୍ଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଆସୁଛି. ଦେର୍ ଆର୍ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ଆରେଞ୍ଜମେଣ୍ଟ. କିନ୍ତୁ ଆମେ ଯଦି ସିଲେକ୍ସନ୍ କରିବା A, B selection, B, C selection, C, A. B, A selection टा न्यू सिलेक्शन हो पारिबो नाही. A selection गोटे हबो. A दिरा सिलेक्शन गोटे हबो. A दिरा सिलेक्शन गोटे हबो. So 3 selection will be obtained. Okay. Similarly, number of arrangement of 3 letters taking all at a time. That is A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B, then A, C, B, B, A, C, C, B, A. We are already know. So, there are 6 different arrangement of 3 letters taking all at a time. But how many selection is obtained? Dekho. A, B, C, this is selection. B, C, A, this is not different selection. A, B, C selection, B, C, A selection, these are equal. Kahingi? A3 A, B, C ଅଛି, A3 B, C ଅଛି. ऑर्डरटा डिफरेंट असुविधा कौन ये तो ए बी सी रहा ना ये भी बी सी ए से एस सी भी अच्छी ना ए बी सी अच्छी ना यहाँ कौन हम ये सी ए बी दैट इज ऑल्सो ए सी बी. सो ए सी बी ए सी ए बी दीज आर ऑल आर वन सिलेक्शन. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? 6 डिफरेंट अरेंजमेंट बट वन सिलेक्शन. कहीं सब जगह सिलेक्शन गोटे आगा जो सिलेक्शन ए सी बी ए बी सी ये रहा ना ये बी सी अच्छी आईरे बी सी अच्छी आईरे बी सी अच्छी but 6 different arrangement. Suppose A, B, C, D. Now there are 4 letters. So what will be number of arrangement of 4 letters taking all at a time? 4 letter अच्छी 4 letter को नहीं जब हमें arrangement करिबा, how many arrangement can be formed? The number of arrangement of 4 letters taking all at a time is 4p4, that is 4 factorial. कहीं 4 place रे 4 letter को हमें fill up करिया without repetition. So 4 factorial means 24. 24 arrangement. One is A, B, C, D, B, C, D, A, C, D, A, B. Okay. Then D, A, B, C, D, A, B, C. एटा को फिक्स करी बी सी डी को ए 3टा लेटर को हमें अरेंजमेंट कले यू विल गेट अनदर 6 अरेंजमेंट. एटा बी फिक्स थी आपको अरेंजमेंट कले यू विल गेट 6 अरेंजमेंट. So another 6 arrangement, another 6 arrangement. So there are 24 arrangement, but each selection are equal. So here A B C D, here B C A D, C D A B, D A B C. So this is one selection. So the number of arrangement of 4 letters taking all at a time is 4 factorial, but number of selection of 4 letters taking all at a time is 1. 4टा लेटर थी 4टा को जब आम सिलेक्शन करवा बोले गोटे सिलेक्शन आसो. 3टा लेटर थी 3टा लेटर को जब सिलेक्शन कर गोटे सिलेक्शन आसो. बट अरेंजमेंट कले 3 फैक्टोरियल अरेंजमेंट. 4टा लेटर को आम अरेंजमेंट करिया वी विल गेट 4 फैक्टोरियल अरेंजमेंट. ओके. सो नंबर ऑफ 4 लेटर्स, number of selection of 4 letters taking all at a time is 1. 4टा लेटर थी 4टा को आम जदि सिलेक्शन करवा you will get 1 selection. Okay, like that number of selection of 3 letters taking all at a time, that is 1 selection. And the number of selection of 3 letters taking 2 at a time, that is 3 different selection. But number of arrangement of 3 letters taking 2 at a time is 6 different arrangement. Now suppose there are 5 letters A, B, C, D, E. 5 letters are there. So what will be selection of 5 letters taking 1 at a time? You can select A or B or C or D or E. That is 5 selection are made. 5टा लेटर थी जदि गोटे सिलेक्शन गोटे लेटर को आम सिलेक्शन करवा वी विल गेट 5 डिफरेंट सिलेक्शन. नंबर ऑफ सिलेक्शन ऑफ 5 लेटर्स टेकिंग ऑल एट ए टाइम. 5टा को जदि एट ए टाइम जदि आम सिलेक्शन करवा यू विल गेट 1 सिलेक्शन. किंतु 5टा लेटर को एट ए टाइम नहीं अरेंजमेंट कले यू विल गेट 5 फैक्टोरियल अरेंजमेंट, but 1 selection taking all at a time. But what will be number of selection of 5 letters taking 3 at a time? Taking 3 at a time. जब 5टा लेटर थी 3टा लेटर को सिलेक्शन करिवो, so how many selection will be obtained? How can you find? देखो. So how can you find the number of selection of 5 letters taking 3 at a time? Suppose the number of selection of 3 letters out of 5 letters is x. Try to understand. My question is, what will be number of selection of 3 letters out of 5 letters? 5टा लेटर अच्छी तुम से 3टा लेटर को सिलेक्शन करियो, केतेटा सिलेक्शन हो पारिबो? Now the answer is, suppose the number of selection of 3 letters out of 5 letters is x. So what are the selection? One is A B C, B C D, C D E, A D E, like that. Then x selection will be formed. Okay. So in each selection, out of X selection, we take one selection, B, C, D. Suppose we take one selection. This selection contains how many letters? 3 letters. So each selection contains 3 letters. These 3 letters can be arranged themselves in how many ways? 3 factorial. 3 letter अच्छी 3 letter को जब हम arrangement करिबा, we will get 3 factorial arrangement. So one selection can be made 3 factorial arrangement. Do you understand? One selection gives or can be made 3 factorial arrangement. X selection gives or X selection can be made X into 3 factorial arrangement. But X into 3 factorial arrangement equal to number of arrangement of 3 letters of number of arrangement of 5 letters taking 3 at a time. Okay, X into 3 factorial equal to number of arrangement of 5 letters taking 3 at a time. 5 letter अच्छी तमें से 3 letter को नहीं arrangement करियो. What will be number of arrangement? You know that is a 5p3. Number of ways of filled 3 places using 5 letters. 3 place रे 5 letter को fill up करियो. ना नहीं, that is 5p3. So X into 3 factorial, this is the number of arrangement in X selection, and this is known as total number of arrangement of 5 letters taking 3 at a time. So X into 3 factorial equal to 5p3, that implied X equal to 5p3 by 3 factorial. You know 5p3 equal to 5 factorial by 5 minus 3 factorial, 2 factorial whole by 3 factorial, and this is 5 factorial by 2 factorial into 3 factorial. So 5 factorial means 5 into 4 into 3, 5 into 4 into 3 factorial by 2 factorial into 3 factorial, 3 factorial, 3 factorial, cancel. 5 into 4, 20, 20 by 2, 20 by 2, 10. So how many different selection can be made? So there are 10 different selection out of 5 letters taking 3 at a time. जतल 5टा letter थिबो 5टा letter रो तमे जदि 3टा letter को selection करिवो, you will get number of selection होची 10. So we can easily find out the number of selection of n different things taking r at a time. जदि 5टा letter बदल आमे जदि n टा लेटर नेबा एंड डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट नेबा से आम 3टा लेटर जो नहीं सिलेक्शन करूँ 8टा लेटर को नहीं सिलेक्शन कर यू विल गेट एक्स इक्वल टू एन कौन रिप्लेस एन इन प्लेस ऑफ 5 दैट इज एन पी आर बाई आर फैक्टोरियल एंड एन पी आर बाई आर फैक्टोरियल इक्वल टू एन फैक्टोरियल बाई एन माइनस आर फैक्टोरियल होल इंटू r factorial, this is r factorial. Okay, so the number of selection of n different things by taking r at a time is n pr by r factorial, that is n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Do you understand? What will be selection can be made of n different things by taking r at a time is n pr by r factorial, and this is n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Okay, so in this way you have to find the number of selection. Now we prove also NCR, that is number of selection of n different things taking r at a time is denoted by NCR. Okay, so n different things are there, you have to select r things, that is NCR, that is NCR. So NCR equal to npr by r factorial, and this is known as n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Okay. Now, do you understand what we mean by selection, that is a combination, and what we mean by permutation? So, AB and BA are two different arrangement but one selection. Like that, ABC, BCA, CAB, SCB, BAC, CAB, these are 6 different arrangement but one selection. So, what is main difference between combination and permutation? In a selection, order is not important. In which order the element is selected, that is not important. Okay, but in the permutation, order is important. In which order they can arrange, you can arrange. Co-order में तुम arrangement करचो, that is important. So in permutation, order is important. Whereas in combination, order is not important. ABC लेखो कि BCA लेखो कि CAB लेखो, these are one selection. Okay. The number of selection of n different things taking all at a time is 1, whereas number of arrangement of n different things taking all at a time is n factorial. n टा जिनिस थिबो सबु जागु नेगरी अरेंजमेंट करले n factorial arrangement आउसी. n टा जिनिस थिबो सबु जागु नेगरी जदि सिलेक्शन करियो, you will get one selection. Okay, these are the main difference between combination and selection. In combination, how many selection will be obtained? In permutation, how many different arrangement will be obtained? Okay, now we write these things. So first point, AB and BA are two different arrangement but one selection. Like that, ABC, BCA, CAB, SCB, BAC, okay, CBA, these are 6 different arrangement but one selection. Number of arrangement of n different things taking all at a time is n factorial, but number of selection taking all at a time is 1. It's 1. Number of selection of n different things taking all at a time is 1. In permutation, order is important. माने को order रे तमे ताको लेखुचो सजौचो ना नहीं, that is important, but in the selection order is not important. The number of selection of n different things taking some or all at a time is called combination. So combination is known as selection. Okay, the number of selection of n different things taking r at a time is denoted by NCR or C of n comma r. NC, C for combination. N things are there, you can select r things out of n things. Okay, and you know NCR like that 5C2 equal to 5 factorial by 2 factorial into 5 minus 2 factorial. So NCR equal to n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. We prove this one. देखो हमें से एग्जाम्पल माध्यम से हमें प्रूव करते. Now we prove actually why NCR equal to NPR by r factorial, that is n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Okay, we prove this one NCR. Prove that NCR equal to n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial, where r less than or equal to n. Okay. NCR, what is the meaning of NCR? Number of selection. NCR equal to number of selection of n different things taking r at a time. R at a time. Okay. Suppose number of selection is x. What is x? That is x equal to NCR. Number of selection of n different things taking r at a time is x. Each selection, since each selection, okay, each selection contains n contains r things, contains r things. ओके प्रत्येक सिलेक्शन रे 8 जिनस अच्छी कहीं तुम 8 जिनस सिलेक्शन करछ है। अच्छा ईच सिलेक्शन कंटेन्स आर थिंग्स, these are things can be arranged in a row these r things can be arranged in a row of r factorial ways. That is one selection gives or can be made r factorial arrangement. One selection gives r factorial arrangement. X selection gives x into r factorial arrangement. Okay, but x into r factorial arrangement equal to number of arrangement of n different things taking r at a time. Number of arrangement of n things taking r at a time. And which is equal to number of arrangement of n different things taking r at a time is equal to npr. You know already. That implied x into r factorial equal to npr. That implied x equal to npr by r factorial. So npr means you know n factorial by n minus r factorial divided by r factorial. Okay, and this is known as n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. So x, you know, x means number of selection. Suppose the number of selection is x. So number of selection of n different things taking r at a time is NCR. That is NCR. That is NCR equal to n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. So proof is complete. Okay. In this way you have to prove NCR equal to n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. You know the number of selection of n different things taking all at a time is 1. Why it will be 1? If we put r is equal to n, then NCN. So NCN equal to n factorial by n factorial. Okay, n factorial into n minus n factorial, So n factorial by n factorial, n minus n means 0, 0 factorial equal to 1, you know already. So n factorial cancel, this is 1. Like that NCN equal to 1. Number of selection of n different things taking all at a time is 1. Number of selection of n different things taking 1 at a time is n. n जिनिस थिबो तो मु जदि गोटे सिलेक्शन करिवो you will get n selection. Why it is n selection? NC1. Now find its value NC1. So NC1 means n factorial by 1 factorial into n minus 1 factorial. Okay, so n factorial means n into n minus 1 factorial by 1 factorial into n minus 1 factorial. So n minus 1 factorial cancel. 1 factorial is 1. So this is n. So NC1 equal to n. Number of selection of n different things taking 1 at a time. ना नहीं 5टा different पेन अच्छी तो गोटे पेन को सिलेक्शन करियो 5टा different पेन अच्छी तुम गोटे पेन को सिलेक्शन करियो ए पेन को सिलेक्शन कलबो आकु सिलेक्शन कलबो यू कैन मेक this selection, or you can make this selection. Okay, so there are 5 different selection can be made, that is NC1 equal to n. But the number of selection of n different things taking 0 at a time, taking no one at a time, कागु भी सिलेक्शन करिवो नाही. 5टा पेन अछि कोडले गोटे सिलेक्ट कागु भी सिलेक्शन करियो नै, that is also one selection. Why? NC0, so NC0 means n factorial by 0 factorial into n minus 0 factorial. So this is n factorial by 0 factorial is 1, n minus 0 factorial is n factorial. So n factorial cancel, that is also 1. तुम एंडा जिनस थी तार क्या सिलेक्शन कर सो सिलेक्शन इज 1 सेटा भी गोटे सिलेक्शन हम ताको आम काउंट कराब है 5टा पेन थी तुम कोले पेन को सिलेक्शन कलनी गोटे दुकान को गल गोटे पेन किनापी गल तुम से 5टा पेन देखेला तुम क्या भी सिलेक्शन कलनी पलि आसिल दैट इज 1 सिलेक्शन से दुकान जाइल से काउंट हम. सो सिलेक्शन इज 1. नंबर ऑफ सिलेक्शन of n different things taking 0 at a time, no one at a time is 1. Okay. So the number of selection of n different things taking 2 at a time is NC2. एंडा जिनस थी दीटा सिलेक्शन करूँ NC2. एंडा जिनस अच्छे 3टा लेटर को सिलेक्शन करियो that is NC3. So in this way you have to select r things out of n things. Okay. That is NCR. So NCR equal to n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. So proof is important also. Find the number of selection of 5 balls from a bag contains 7 red balls and 3 white balls. Okay. So we select 5 balls from this bag. In that bag contains 7 red and 3 white balls. Now bag there are total 10 balls are there. So out of 10 balls we can select any 5 balls. So how can we weigh 5 balls can be selected out of 10 balls, that is number of selection can be made 10C3. Okay, 10C3 answer. So total balls in that bag equal to 10. So number of selection of 5 balls out of 10 balls equal to 10C3. Okay. So 10C5. So 10C5 equal to 10 factorial by 5 factorial into 10 minus 5 factorial. 10 minus 5 factorial. So this is 10 factorial by 5 factorial into 5 factorial. Okay. Do you understand? NCR equal to n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. So 10 factorial means 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 factorial by 5 factorial into 5 factorial. Okay. So a 5 factorial cancel है. So 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 by 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay. So 4 into 2 8. Yes. So 3 9 है. Yes. So 5 into 2. Okay. So this is 2 into 3 6 into 6 that is 36. So the number of selection of 5 balls out of 10 ball equal to 36. Okay, 36. So into 7, 36 into 7 also na. 2 into 3 6 into 6 36 into 7 also la. So 7 6 is 42. ये 7 3 21 plus 4 25. So 252. So number of selection can be made that the 252. Okay. If we ask find the number of selection of 5 balls from a bag containing 7 red balls and 3 white balls, out of which from 5 balls from These 5 balls contains these 5 balls contains 3 red balls and 2 white ball. Okay, what is number of selection? Here another question, that is find the number of selection of 5 balls from a bag contains 7 red ball and 3 white balls. These 5 balls contains 3 red balls and 2 white balls. जो 5टा बॉल आम सिलेक्शन करिया से 5टा बॉल रु केतरा रेड रहिबो 3टा रेड रहिबो 2टा व्हाइट बॉल रहिबो. So here first we select 3 red ball out of 7 red balls in how many ways? 7C3. Okay, next we select 2 white balls out of 3 white ball in how many way? 3C2. जो 5टा बॉल सिलेक्शन करबा से 5टा बॉल रु कोन रहइबो 3टा रेड रहइबो 2टा व्हाइट रहइबो. So in beginning first we select 3 red ball out of 7 red, 7C3, then 2 white ball select out of 3 white ball, 3C2. So the number of selection of 5 balls including 3 red balls and 2 white ball equal to 7C3 multiplied 3C2. ना नहीं कहीं वर्क केतल कंप्लीट होबो जतलो 5टा बॉल सिलेक्शन करियो 5टा बॉल रु 3टा रेड रहइबो आउ 2टा व्हाइट रहइबो. तेनु प्रथमे रेड सिलेक्शन करियो तापर व्हाइट सिलेक्शन करियो तो मझिरे इंटू करियो काहेकि वर्कटा कंप्लीट न होला जे तमे काउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल मल्टीप्लिकेशन यूज करबा हला. अच्छा, so 7C3 into 3C2. So the answer is 7C3 into 3C2. Okay, 7C3 into 3C2. Find out its answer. So 7C3. So 7C3 means 7 factorial by 7 minus 3 factorial into 7 minus 3 factorial 4 factorial. 3C2 means 3 factorial by 2 factorial into 3 minus 2 factorial, that is 1 factorial. Okay, so 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial by 3 factorial into 4 factorial. Here also 3 into 2 factorial by 2 factorial into 1 factorial means 1. So 4 factorial cancel, 2 factorial cancel, 3 factorial means 6, 3 factorial means 6 into 6 cancel. So 7 5 35 into 3. Okay, so 35 into 3 equal to 105. So the number of selection is 105. Okay, next we do another question also. Okay, the next question, in how many ways 4 cards are drawn from a pack of 52 playing cards? 52 playing cards. In how many way of these 4 cards are same suit? Number 2, 4 cards belongs to different suits. 4 cards are face card. 2 cards are red cards and 2 are black cards. Cards are of the same color. Okay. So first question in how many ways 4 cards are drawn from a pack of 52 playing cards? Do you see playing card? If you not see the playing card, you must see the playing card. So in playing card, how many cards are there? How many colors are there? How many suits are there? How many denominations are there? Now detail we discuss the playing cards. In playing cards contain 52 cards. 52 cards. So total card in playing card is 52 cards. Okay. So in 52 cards contain 4 different suits. 4, try to understand 4 different suit. So which type of a suit? One is a club, spade, diamond and heart. diamond heart. The club, its figure is like that. This one is a club, spade, like that, diamond, and this is heart. Okay. So there are 4 different suit. In the club card contain 13 denomination. So out of 13 denomination, one is 1 card, 2 card, 3, 4, dot dot 9, 10 cards. Then after 10 you will get jack, then queen, then king. Okay. So like that, in spade card contain also 13 denomination, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 10, jack, queen, king. Okay. तेणु क्लब जो अच्छी 13टा कार्ड अच्छी ए सुट जो 13टा कार्ड अच्छी गोटे 1 नंबर कार्ड थी, 2 नंबर कार्ड थी, 3 नंबर कार्ड थी, 4 नंबर कार्ड थी, इन 10 नंबर कार्ड थी। 10 पर कौन आसो जाग आसो, तापर क्वीन आसो, तापर किंग आसो। सेमती स्पेड्र मध्य 13टा आसो, डायमंड मध्य 13टा आसो, हार्ट भी 13टा आसो। ओके। सो डिफरेंट सुट सेम घर आर ए कौन 13 अच्छी, ए भी 13 पाइब, ए भी 13 आइब, एमती डायमंड आसो, एट भी 13 आसो। ओके। So each suit contains 13 denomination. So there are 4 suit, 4 into 13, that is the 52 cards. Okay. So jack card and queen card and king card. Jack card 4टा आसो, कहीं जाग गोटे क्लब कार्ड थी, गोटे स्पेड थी, आ गोटे डायमंड थी, आ गोटे हार्ट थी। सो ए 4टा जाग रा, क्वीन रा, किंग रा। इच कार्ड 1 नंबर कार्ड 4टा रे गोटे आईन गोटे आईन गोटे आईन गोटे ना कि। अच्छा। सो जाक कार्ड, किंग कार्ड, क्वीन कार्ड इज नोन एज अ फेस कार्ड, इज वन, दिस वन इज अ फेस कार्ड। आपको हम कहे फेस कार्ड। सो हाउ मेनी फेस कार्ड आर देयर? 4 into 4 into 4. सो 12 कार्ड्स आर फेस कार्ड। कहीं जागर 4टा कार्ड थी, जागर गोटे क्लब थी, गोटे स्पेड्र थी, गोटे डायमंड थी, गोटे हार्ट थी। सेमती क्वीन भी 4टा रही, किंग भी 4टा रही। एमती फेस कार्ड के 12। 1 नंबर कार्डटा को आम कह एस कार्ड। 1 नंबर कार्डटा आम कौन कह, दिस इज नोन एज एस कार्ड। एस कार्ड सहित जदि फेस कार्ड जदि मिसिबो ताको आम कहे ऑनर कार्ड। ऑनर कार्ड फेस कार्ड सहित एस कार्डटा मिसिले ताको आम कहे ऑनर कार्ड। सो ऑनर केतरा आसियो ना 16टा ऑनर आसियो, ऑनर कार्ड आसियो, फेस कार्ड आसियो 12 आसियो। ओके। डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? So these are all about 52 playing cards, and these 2 cards, club and spade, these are known as the black card. एटा black color थिबो, आको हम कहे black card, and the diamond heart, this is known as red card, आको हम कहे red card. So आइने 13 अछि, आइने 13 अछि, 13 plus 13 केते 26, 26 black card आइबो, आउ 26 कोन आसियो red card आसियो। Okay, these are all about the playing cards. तेणु जमेने देखी न प्लेइंग कार्डटा भलार देख से तुम जापर जे हाउ मेनी कार्ड्स आर देयर, व्हाट आर द स्पेड, व्हाट आर द डायमंड, ओके, व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट सूट लाइक दैट। डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ आंसर देख। आंसर इज हाउ मेनी 4 कार्ड्स आर ड्रॉन फ्रॉम ए पैक ऑफ 52 प्लेइंग कार्ड्स। प्लेइंग कार्ड रु आम 4टा कार्ड ड्र करिया अर्थात आम कौन करिया से बाहर करिया, that means select करिया। we select 4 cards out of 52 cards. So the number of selection of 4 cards, 4 cards are drawn from 52 cards, that will be number of selection of 4 cards out of 52 cards. So the selection can be made in how many ways? 52C4. So the number of 52 cards, number of 4 cards can be drawn बाहर करिया अर्थात सिलेक्शन करिया, can be drawn from 52 playing cards equal to 52C4. The answer is 52C4. तुम यार आंसरटा बाहर करियो ना एति रखले भी होई परिबो होला। This is not bound to calculate its value. Its answer is also, this one is also correct answer. Next, number 2. Number 1, in how many of these 4 cards are same suit? You know there are how many suits are there? So 4 different suit. So these 4 card may be club, or these 4 card may be spade, or these 4 card may be diamond, or these 4 cards may be heart. जो 4टा कार्ड करियो से 4टा कार्ड कौन होइतियो डिफरेंट सूट रहितियो. सॉरी 4 कार्ड्स आर द सेम सूट. 4टा कार्ड सेम सूट गोटे सूट रहितियो. 4टा कार्ड एधर क्लब रही पारे, किंबा 4टा कार्ड स्पेड रही पारे, किंबा 4टा कार्ड डायमंड रही पारे, किंबा 4टा कार्ड कौन हार्ट रही पारे. सो number of selection of 4 cards of number of selection of 4 cards from club suits. club suit रे केतरा कार्ड अछि 13टा कार्ड अछि. सो 13टा तमे 4टा सिलेक्शन करियो. ओके, सो 13C4, और यू कैन सिलेक्ट 13C4 13C4 कौन हम 13C4 प्लस 13C4 प्लस 13C4 plus 13C4 plus 13C4. Why we take it to 4? Because these 4 cards may be spade, or may be club, or may be diamond, or may be heart. आइरु आसी पारे, किंबा आइरु आसी पारे, किंबा एथिरु आसी पारे, किंबा एथिरु आसी पारे, or means this is the plus. Okay, so 4 cards are a different suit. 4 cards, number of 4 cards of 4 cards of same suit. Number of selection, number of 4 cards. 4 cards are same suit, same suits. Okay, equal to 13C4 एडा क्लब रु आसिला, और स्पेड रु आसी पारे 13C4 प्लस 13C4 डायमंड रु आसी पारे प्लस हार्ट रु आसी पारे 13C4. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? नेक्स्ट, नंबर 2, 4 कार्ड्स बिलोंग्स टू 4 डिफरेंट सूट. तो 4टा कार्ड ड्र करिया हमें 4टा कार्ड कौन होइतियो डिफरेंट सूट रहितियो. तार तो कौन हम गोटे क्लब होइतिबो, वन इज क्लब, अदर इज स्पेड, अदर इज डायमंड, अदर इज हार्ट. गोटे क्लब रु पारियो, गोटे स्पेड हो पारियो, गोटे डायमंड हो पारियो, आ गोटे हार्ट हो पारियो. तेणु क्लब केतरा अछि 13टा. 13टा रो गोटे सिलेक्शन करियो. तो 13C1 into 13C1 into 13C1 into 13C1. Why we take it multiplication? Because the work is not complete. पिले सबुले ट्राई कर देखिबो व्हाट इज टोटल वर्क टा कंप्लीट न होला जाए यू कैन मल्टीप्लाई. आफ्टर वर्क इज कंप्लीट देन यू कैन ऐड दिस वर्क टा केतल कंप्लीट हो जतल 4टा कार्ड ड्रॉ करियो. 4टा कार्ड कोन होतियो गोटे कार्ड गोटे सूट रो आइरो गोटे आइथ्रो गोटे एइथ्रो गोटे एइथ्रो गोटे तार तो 13C1 into 13C1 into 13C1 into 13C1. सेठी आमे कोन करथिले 4टा कार्ड सेम सूट माने ए सूट रही पारे, किंबा ए सीट रही पारे, किंबा ए सीट रही पारे, किंबा ए सीट रही पारे. 13टा कार्ड कंप्लीटली सिलेक्शन कराला माने प्लस होला. सरी काम एठी सरी एठी काम सरी. किंतु एठी कोन हो 4टा कार्ड गोटे रहइबो. सो 13C1 into 13C1 into 13C1 into 13C1. Do you understand? So 4 cards, number of selection of 4 cards belongs to different suit. Is 13C1 into 13C1 into 13C1 into 13C1. Okay. Next, number 3. 4 cards are the face card. What will be number of face card? So the number of face card is 12. So the number of selection of 4 face card out of 12 face card equal to 12C3. Here answer ta kon hobo? Answer 3 hobo 12C3 because 12C4 because there are 12 face card are there. So the number of selection of 4 face cards in a playing card is 12C4. Okay. Next, number 4. You can write in sentence form two cards are red card and two cards are black card. So in that playing card contain how many black cards? There are 26 black cards and there are 26 red cards. So 2 are red and 2 are black. So 2 red card can be selected out of 26 red card, that is the 26C2. Another 2 cards can be selected, 2 black cards can be selected out of 26 black card, that is the 26C2. So work टा केतला complete होबो, एथरु दीरा करिवो, एथरु दीरा नबो 26C2 into 26C2 काई एडा दीरा रहला चारटा हला ना नहीं तो into हला तो 26C2 into 26C2. ओके नेक्स्ट कार्ड्स आर द सेम कलर. तो चार्टा कार्ड करियो, चार्टा कार्ड सेम कलर होइतियो, सेम कलर होइतियो माने कोन, चार्टा कार्ड कोन होइतियो, इधर ब्लैक कार्ड होई परियो और दिस 4 कार्ड्स आर रेड कार्ड. सो आंसर 5 इज चार्टा को तमरो कोन होइतियो रेड कार्ड 26C4 और दिस 4 कार्ड्स आर ब्लैक कार्ड और मींस प्लस 26C4. This is the answer. Do you understand? So in that question you can easily understand the combination. Okay, this is the best question to understand. In a plane containing 60 points where no 3 points are collinear. Okay, so out of 60 points no 3 points are lie in a line. ताइनु कौन से 3टा पॉइंट गोटे लाइन रे नाहंती. Okay, so there are in zigzag form. So how many straight line and a triangle can be formed? Okay, suppose this is a plane. In that plane containing 60 points, so these 60 points are there. So the number of straight line means if we is joining these 2 points, you can get a straight line, or joining these 2 points. Suppose this point is A, B, C, D. So AB, now joining AB. AB is one straight line. AB and BA. So AB and BA are two not different straight line. So this is one straight line. AB straight line ja, BA straight line da ta. BC, CB that are equal. Okay. So how many straight line are formed? So by joining any 2 point, you will get a straight line. Joining any 2 point, okay, like that. So the number of straight line will be obtained equal to number of selection of 2 points out of 60 point. तेणु जितना straight line होबो तमे दीटा पॉइंट को सिलेक्शन करियो. ओके, so the number of straight line equal to number of selection of 2 points out of 60 point. Then how many triangle? So in the triangle, by joining any 3 points, you will get a triangle. Since in that 60 point no 3 points are aligned, जब 3टा पॉइंट गोटे लाइन रे थियो मींस तमे 3टा पॉइंट जॉइन कले लाइन होबोगी, सॉरी गोटे ट्रायंगल फॉर्मेशन होबोगी, फॉर्मेशन नहीं परिबो नाही. बा 3टा पॉइंट गोटे लाइन रे थिबो माने ए लाइन टा जॉइन करी एम दी लाइन जॉइन करी एटा गोटे लाइन आगे हबो, एटा गोटे लाइन आगे आसीबो होला. सो हियर इफ 3 पॉइंट्स आर लाई इन ए लाइन, देन triangle cannot be made. Since these all points are not in the line, no 3 points are lie in a line, so the number of a triangle equal to number of selection of 3 points, number of selection of 3 points out of 60 points. Okay, so the number of triangle equal to number of selection of number of straight line equal to number of selection of 2 points, and number of a triangle equal to number of selection of 3 points out of 60 points. So by joining any 2 points we get a straight line, like that by joining any 3 points we get a straight line, since no 3 points are collinear. So the number of straight line equal to number of selection of 2 points out of 60 points, and the number of selection, that is 60C2, number of a triangle equal to 60C3. Okay, so in this way you have to find the triangle and the straight line. find the number of diagonals in a polygon having n vertices. Okay, so here we find number of diagonals in a polygon having n vertices. Since a polygon having n vertices means n sides, okay, n sides. So by joining any two vertices of a polygon, we will get a sides or a diagonal. But you know, side never be diagonal and diagonal never be side. Okay, so that intersection is must be 5. So the number of selection of two vertices, you will get sides or it will be also diagonals. That is NC2 equal to number of diagonals plus number of sides. Do you understand? देखो जो पॉलीगॉन अच्छी तार एंडा वर्टिसेस अच्छी एंडा वर्टिसेस अच्छी माने एंडा साइड रहिबो तुमे जे कोनस दीरा वर्टिसेस को जॉइन करिवो जॉइन कले दिस लाइन मे बी साइड और मे बी डायगोनल बट साइड नेवर बी डायगोनल डायगोनल नेवर बी साइड. So the number of selection two vertices out of n vertices equal to number of sides plus number of diagonals. Do you understand? Now we write these things. So a polygon having n vertices means n sides. By joining any two vertices, we get a side or a diagonal. The side never be diagonal, diagonal never be sides. That means NC2 equal to number of sides plus number of diagonals. So you know number of sides equal to n plus number of diagonals. We cannot, actually you find the number of diagonals, the number of diagonals, number of diagonals. Okay, so NC2 that implied number of diagonals. Number of diagonals equal to NC2 minus n, and you know NC2 means n factorial by 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial minus n. Okay, so n factorial means you know n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial by 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial minus n. So n minus 2 factorial n minus 2 cancel. So this is n into n minus 1 by 2 minus n. Now take it LCM, 2 into n square minus n minus 2n that is n square minus 3n minus 2, and this is n into n minus 3 by 2. So the number of diagonals in a polygon having n vertices, therefore number of diagonals in a polygon having n vertices is n into n minus 3 by 2. This is the required formula to get a number of diagonals in a polygon having n vertices or n sides. Okay. Now some questions for yourself. A polygon having 44 diagonals, then find a number of sides. So 44 diagonals are there. You know the number of diagonals of a polygon having n sides equal to n into n minus 3 by 2. This is the formula of a number of diagonals, but here given that 44 diagonals, so n into n minus 3 by 2 equal to 44. That implied n into n minus 3 equal to 88. So n minus 3 is 3 less for n. देखो एटा कौन दीटा मल्टीप्लिकेशन अच्छी तो 88 कौन लिखे तुम 11 into 8 लिखिपर ना ना नहीं 11 into 8 लिखिपर जदि n into n minus 3 टा 11 into 8 हम एंडा कौन हम 11 हम by n minus 3 टा 8 हम. So why we write 11 into 8? Because this number x n minus 3 is 3 less to the another number. So 8 टा 11 to कितने सानो 3 सानो. So you can write directly n equal to 11, or you can take also n square minus 3n equal to 88, n square minus 3n minus 88 equal to 0, and solve it to get the value of n. Okay. Next question, in how many ways two cards are drawn from a pack of 52 playing cards, one card is a king and other card is a queen. So in the playing card, how many king cards are there? 4 king cards. How many king queen cards are there? 4 queen cards. So one card can be selected out of 4 king in 4c1 and one queen card can be selected out of 4 queen card equal to 4c1. So the number of selection you can find out. Okay. Next question, in how many ways a committee of 5 members can be selected from 6 men and 5 women consisting 3 men and 2 women? तुम गोटे कमिटी तैयारी करियो, से कमिटी 5टा मेंबर रखियो, 5टा मेंबर रु 3टा मेन रहिबो, 2टा वुमेन रहिबो, आउट ऑफ 6 men and 5 women. Okay, you can make a committee. If there are 12 persons in a party and if each 2 of them shake hands with each other, how many handshake happen in the party? So a handshake can be obtained by mixing of 2 hands of 2 different persons. So these are different persons hand misle amar gote handshake formation hochi. Do you understand? So the number of handshake equal to number of selection of 2 persons. So but here there are how many persons are there? 12 persons. So the number of handshake equal to number of selection of 2 persons out of 12 persons, and this can be obtained, you know. 5 number, in how many cards can be drawn? How many cards can be drawn through 21 points in a circle? On a circle means no points are collinear, no 3 points are collinear. Okay, so in that circle contains how many points? 21 points. How many cards can be drawn? So a card can be joined by any 2 points. Okay, in next class we do some other concept of combination and problem. Okay, thank you.